It's time for Wild About Trial, where we discuss both sides of the most interesting legal cases going on around the country today. And squaring off now, attorneys Misty, Marris, and Jesse Weber. Thanks, guys, as always, for being here. Appreciate it. First up, this video of a Baltimore man hanging on the front of a moving school bus screaming recently went viral. He says a kid on the bus threw a water bottle at the car, endangering his family. He was arrested and charged with reckless endangerment, police calling it road rage. He claimed his family was in danger.
Chris, this video just does not tell the whole story. We've now heard from Doran's attorney, who said exactly what happened on that day. A bottle was thrown out of the window with a moving vehicle. This is obviously inherently dangerous. Not only was he taking steps to protect his family, he's taking steps to prevent this from happening to other drivers and possibly resulting in severe consequences.
Don't you think a call to 911 might have been a better play here?
Absolutely, Chris. He got angry. He created a dangerous situation for himself. Everyone on the bus, everyone on the road. He should have called 911. He was totally in the wrong. This is a guy who got angry, took matters into his own hands, and he's in the wrong 100%. And no one's going to believe that story that, oh, I just wanted to protect everybody on the road.
Get off the bus.
He did. He got out of the car to approach the bus driver. But it's Doran's version of the story that he was actually forced to jump on the front of the bus because the driver revved the engine 3 times, and for his own safety,
But do you think that bus driver was taunting?
I do. I watched the video. I saw the bus driver goading him on.
Good, you call him. No.
This idea that he's in fear for his life is not supported by the video. What I think we have here is a situation where both people did not act correctly. He's driving a person on the front of his bus.
Accept the fact that the driver revved the engine, if this is a guy who could jump on a bus, he could have easily gotten out of the way.
No.
People do not take the law into their own hands and jump on a bus. Do you know how much of danger he created for everyone on that bus?
And the bus driver should have stopped the bus and not driven with a person on the front of the bus.
Well, it seems like there was fault on both sides.
Yes, both parties should have called 911, gotten police intervention immediately, because you can't have objects flying out of a moving vehicle.
This next story is out of Cleveland. A bartender is facing criminal charges after an underage woman fell from a second-story balcony. The bartender, Carissa Buhner, is charged with selling or furnishing alcohol to an underage person after investigators say she served 20-year-old Megan Keith 3 mixed drinks. Megan is still unconscious and needs 24-hour care. Megan's family has also filed a lawsuit against the bar itself. Wouldn't the bartender assume, rightfully, that this girl, Megan, was 21 if she was let in the bar?
The law under the statute says that no person shall sell alcohol to another minor. So the problem with that, it doesn't make a distinction about who saw the ID, when they saw the ID.
There's an affirmative defense written into the law, and that's the good faith belief that the person you're selling to is 21. Now, I've been to bars, we've all been to bars. Where are you usually presenting your ID? At the front door. If there was a system to check in the front of the bar, then there would be no reason for the bartender to ask for the ID of every patron, because that should already have been taken care of. Again,
but that's not enumerated in the statute. That's not enumerated in the statute.
Belief.
But it's about the person who sells the alcohol, not if they knew somebody that checked the ID. It doesn't make a distinction under the law.
When have you ever seen a bar?
Just because that's a bar's policy doesn't mean it's legal.
If there is not a written policy that says each bartender needs to check the ID of every person who's purchasing a drink contemporaneously with the purchase, then there is not going to be liability here, provided the bar was checking IDs at the outset.
Now, we want to hear from you. Should this bartender be charged? Sound off right now on our Facebook page. Misty, Jesse, thank you as always for your insights into these cases. For more information on these stories, you can go to wildabouttrial.com or crimewatchdaily.com. I'm Chris Hansen. If you like this story, make sure you tune in every day to Crime Watch Daily. You can find where the show airs in your city at crimewatchdaily.com. Watch it live or record it on your DVR and watch it at night. And to all those criminals out there, remember, we are watching.